Hello friends, my name is Sachin Sunkusle. Today I'm going to cover the Elliott wave analysis of Tata Power. You can refer my the previous analysis which I have done for the Tata Power. I will share that link in the description of this video. So I have mentioned, we completed the W X and wave Y was in progress, where we have observed wave Y as a triangle, and I mentioned like the wave E, it may go below the, it may break the AC trend line, or it may end over here, or sometimes it may end over here as well. However, like we found, like this time the wave E was slightly below the AC, the support line. And after that, we have started with a wave, new wave. Now, I'm going to cover here two scenarios. One is on the positive side of it, where you're going to see of, are you going to see of, the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the uptrend, or is it like there's one more correction that is happening, and after that we're going to see one more down wave Z, and then finally when it will be coming to wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now just take the positive scenario over here where I'm like mentioning we have just completed the wave E, and now we have in the wave one also we have completed, we have two have completed, and now we are in the wave three. In the wave three, if you see here, there are like the smaller waves that are uh, taking place. So if I have to just say one, two, we're seeing somewhere the three wave will end over here, fourth, and then the fifth wave, where mostly more or less the wave three will be completed. And if you see a smaller wave occurring in wave three of three, this means that the wave three will be get extended. Now this is on the positive side. However, if it may so happen, as I mentioned, like this might be another correction where instead of this W, X and Y, the correction ending, what we will see is W, which is already completed, X, which is already complete over here. This is Y, and then one more X, which is going to complete over here. And then the last correction, which will be a wave Z. Now wave Z, it may turn out like wave Z will be another a triangle, or it can be, a zigzag, or it can be a flat. That we don't know for now. For now, what our focus is, like we are focusing on whether it's this turns out to be a wave X or wave 3, which I mentioned earlier. Now, if I have to trade it, or if I have to invest it, what I will do is like I will enter now, and I'll wait for the wave X confirmation. Even if it's a wave X confirmation, still I'm going to make a profit of like maybe 15 to 17 bucks from here, if it's going to close at 237. Or if it turns out like this is going to be, as I mentioned, impulse wave. So where is wave 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, 5. Sorry about that. This is like that minute point. It should be intermediate waves. So if it's going to be a like an impulse wave, if it goes above this, then I'm going to hold it and till wave 3, and then going to plan to sell somewhere at this point. Or if I want to hold it little bit more, I'll let the wave 4 develop, and then I will let it like when the wave 5 comes up, then I'll sell it somewhere around this point. But in any case, like if even if you are thinking like, or if even if you think this is not going to be an impulse wave and this is going to be another X wave, and then one more correction towards the downward, which is going to be turned out to be wave Z, still you're going to make a profit now. And at this point you can decide whether you wanted to hold it or you wanted to sell it, because if it's going to come down, I will prefer to immediately sell it. But however, like if it turns out like which I have shown you earlier. Say for example, wave 1, 2, and then go to wave 3, and wave 4, and then wave 5. If it's going to close above this line, maybe around like 240, then I would prefer to hold it and then sell it around like maybe 260 to 61. So that's it all about it. Thanks very much.